Hi, we're late. I like your tip.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like stab. But in my first, even though they couldn't make it.
Maybe they ran out of flour. You also like mint.
KEEMI. Hi everyone. Welcome back guys to another vlog. Don, do you think he doesn't like it right now because I'm hugging him? Or does he like it?
I don't know.
Because Don told me that dogs don't like being hugged because they feel like they're being invaded. Like,
like their privacy.
they're being invaded. Like, you know, like us, like invading their space. So, I don't know. Just reheated the kimchi. There's a lot left over.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Are you? Or you don't like my food?
I hate it. I hate you. I hate everything. I'm gonna say bye to your mom. Because we're just going home.
Going home? Where's your
Alabama.
Oh my god, me so cute. But I'm not gonna lie, I really like leftover food.
짱이야.
맛있어? Yeah, even like 된장찌개 tastes better the day after because it's like everything soaked up the sauce. No, I used to hate tubu.
Really?
And kimchi stew.
Nah.
I did. So whenever my mom put like tofu and pork, I only ate pork. I never ate tofu.
Isn't that just you just love pork?
No, I didn't like pork. I didn't like tofu at all.
Or just vegetable in general?
No, I like vegetables. 호박전 맛있어. The best 호박전 I ever had though was when my grandma, my dad's grandma, she visited US and she was like, you know, that's when like my mom was full-time, my dad's full-time, so she was always alone at home, and I was in high school I think. So whenever I come back from high school, she would be like cooking something, and like she made the 호박전 and it tasted really good. I think that's the only thing that, because a lot of people like really like their grandma's cooking. I never really liked my grandma's cooking.
I don't have a memory of it much. That's why I wanted to try it, so that, you know, because I only have memory of my mom's.
When we visited your grandma, she kind of like went all out for breakfast.
No,
She gave me his dad's mom gave me, like, this was like 8 in the morning. She gave me a bowl of rice, but it was like stacked.
I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of people could agree that, oh, my grandma has like the best recipe, you know? And I agree with that though. Because know-how and all that, like, they have a little more experience with food.
I don't know if a lot of people know, but Korean corn is very different from American corn.
Even potato.
Oh yeah. But corn in Korea is way more starchy, more sticky. And that's like kind of like the corn that I grew up with. And my grandma used to cook that for me all the time. But when I came to America, the first corn I ever tried was an Old Country Buffet. And I loved it. That was it
too, yeah.
I loved it. I'm like, this is so much better corn.
Wow.
No, but after I haven't had that my grandma's corn for a long time, I start to miss it.
Of course.
Ame, buckle up. Let's go pee pee. Buckle up. Buckle up. Look at his ass. 사랑해요. 고마운 사랑.
Let's go party.
Ame, where's your ball? Are you a chubby monster? Booty. Oh, come here, come here. Ame, what is that? Come on. Come on. degrees?
I don't know. It went up to 70s.
Yeah, it's 71 and that was the highest today or something. But it's definitely cooler because last week it went up to 90s, like 95, but now it's like 70. So yeah, it's definitely feeling more cool today, which I like because I can wear my sweater. Tong and I are gonna stop by Bed Bath Beyond to look at a water.
Beyond?
The Beyond part.
Yeah.
Because we're trying to look for a water boiler. After our coffee machine broke, we have been doing like a pour over where we make individual cup of coffee with we have to boil hot water, which takes a long time because I hate that stove. I really don't like that stove. I really like the gas stoves. It's just much faster. So we are trying to look for a water boiler to kind of speed up the process of making a cup of coffee in the morning. So if anybody know a good water boiler that's pretty cheap, let us know, because all the water boilers we saw at Bed Bath Beyond.
It's because you've never been to Walmart or Target. I'm pretty sure
I go there all the time. Okay. Maybe we could check. Maybe even Jewel has it. I remember back in college there was this white water boiler that you could get a longer. Yeah, like I cooked everything in there. But that thing was $10 and it did everything.
Super fast.
So fast. But all the water boilers there were really expensive. Like they were at least $50, and that's not what we're looking for. Or we might wait until we put in our registry for a wedding. We don't know yet, so we're gonna just look. But if there's any suggestions or recommendations from you guys, I would love to hear about it. But right now we still have a couple more minutes, like 30 more minutes until dinner, so we're gonna go get some wine for tonight. Dong's starting a new job next week.
Or
can I say that?
Not even saying new job, it's new business.
Dong has a new business next week.
Or
with another woman.
Dong's starting a new business, or
yeah, Dong's like, it's kind of complicated, so we'll talk more about it later. But he's starting something new next week, so this week he's, you know, pretty free and spend time with me. Are you getting wine?
What, don't you want wine?
Well, I want wine, but I don't know what you want. Yeah, I want red wine.
Stick to one thing.
I want Pinot Noir. Maybe I need coffee, not wine. There's Pinot Noirs over there. Mark West. That's cute. Oh, Federer's was really popular when I was working in a restaurant too.
Cabernet? It's a limited edition.
한 병이면 되나?
10불이야.
두 병 할까? Should get one more.
3병 해.
3병?
You finished 2 so easily.
You finished it. 나는 한 잔이면 되거든?
Hey KEEMI.
이거 먹어봤어? 아, stop.
Zoom in shot.
이거 뭐냐?
지미집.
지미집. Should we stick to all Cabernet or? Mark West. Mark West 맛있어? 아, 엄마?
Ooh, no, mess.
한 병 더?
Alright. 많이 팔면 네가 좋은 거잖아.
짠! I never understood why people ate pretzel and chocolate before.
Oh, dude, the saltiness and sweetness together.
You know, there's a chocolate covered bacon.
I don't know if I will enjoy eating that.
Oh, 짜다.
Right?
I feel like these will be like really good with wine. This is definitely not something that I would eat while I'm on my period. It's too like salty. But it's good. Wait a minute. First, this is actually our first time using this movie room. Does it have incline? No, right? I want Burger King. I haven't had a hamburger. My favorite show. Somebody thinks your name is Pam. A lot of stuff in it.
But if you guys are ever in Argyle, go to this place called Falls 777. Somebody's been there. It's like really authentic. Everything's really authentic there.
나 막 로요라 놀러 갈 때. Everyone took the train there. I don't know.
You pour this in there.
That's probably mine.
Oh, what?
아니 먹고
It's like
바보? 되게 소스 좋아한다 너.
Yeah, it's mine.
This is the crepe.
What is that?
Can you close to me?
I think it might be it.
It might be it, yeah.
뭐?
제가 먹었던 거 그때 마셨을
other
때.
restaurant.
좀 먹을래?
아 맛있다.
약간 육개장 표현 난다.
좀 다른 육개장.
그냥 좀 시원해서.
나도 좋아하는데 나만 안 좋아해. 너 좀 이상한 것 같아.
You can't say what doesn't know.
Jasmine, what's your favorite color?
My favorite what?
What's your favorite color?
That's hot. I like black and white.
오, 나랑 똑같네?
How about you?
나?
까만 빨간색 이런 거. Dark soul.
Dark.
Oh, thank you. Let's see. Interesting. With this?
Yeah.
맛있어?
맛있네. 그때는 다 떨어져가지고 따로 먹는.
근데 맛있다.
맛있는데? 소스도 맛이 한몫하네.
그러네.
You want some more?
이거 맛있다.
Very clean taste.
이거 케첩 맛이 나지?
Ketchup?
그러니까지.
Maybe they ran out of sauce.
그냥 우동 누들에다가 케첩 비벼 먹는 거 같아.
이거 같이 먹어 이거.
와이 라이스인데 와이 라이스는 왜 먹어?
I love white rice.
메인이 저거고 저 반찬이야.
What type of rice is your favorite?
The
꼬들꼬들?
꼬들꼬들. I love 꼬들꼬들.
The like
나는
dry
포그.
one.
나는 moist.
아 그래? 약간 살짝.
죽 되기 전. 죽 되기 전에 그런 맛 좋아해.
Yeah. 그냥 그렇더라고요. 그래서 그냥.
Even though they couldn't make it grow, like 그 experience 때문에 너무 좋아.
Right.
프랑스가 이겼나?
Ranch.
생일 축하해. Happy birthday.
Because his hand is holding on a candy cane in a heart.
We're here. We're there. 우와. 도착했어요. Hi, we're late. Oh my goodness, it's 12:40 right now and my friends just left kind of late. I didn't mind if they stayed, but I think they were more comfortable.
over.
Yeah, I think they felt more comfortable sleeping at home, so we just hung out late. The escape room was amazing. Definitely.
I don't wanna be without you, girl.
Yeah, but it was a great night. We had so much fun. The escape room was actually beyond our expectation, to be honest. It was very clever. It wasn't too difficult. Like, it wasn't like something that like you would never know. It's just something like you have to be clever, but it's not like who was like this who drew this in 1946. Like there's nothing like that. It was more of like everything was available. You just had to be more creative. So it was really fun. We did fail because two of our friends were so stubborn. They didn't want to use any clue.
They did not. I was asking every
Yeah, Tom wanted to use a clue. I mean, like, I didn't mind not using it in the beginning, but, like, towards the end, it got really difficult, so I wanted to use it. But anyway, it doesn't matter. We had a lot of fun. Picked up some Taco Bell. We ate some great Taco Bell. Ate some cake. And drank 2 bottles of wine. I think because, you know, people had to drive home. We didn't want to drink that much. But... Stop.
Dang, I look so ugly.
Okay, it's the angle. We look ugly together. You look uglier though.
I know.
Watching Titanic.
Just because of Office episode
Yeah.
when they were going on a sheep.
Yeah.
Ship.
On a sheep.
Night night.
Night night.